Hey there, it's Dory Staley, owner of Next Stage Drumming and author of Rise Up and Rock, Activating the God-Given Purpose. This is my second book, and it has way more attitude than the first, and a whole lot of different discussions and exercises to help you really think about what your gifts and talents are, what you can possibly offer to the world, whether you wanted to create a business, a career, a ministry, or just use your hobby to do something that will make a little bit of income, but also an impact. There's loads of ideas and action items in this book, mainly because I have been a coach and a mentor, and I've worked with hundreds of people over the years, including teens and college kids and also adults. And I love to brainstorm and find solutions. So this isn't just your typical find your purpose kind of inspiring storybook that you can't relate to at all, because usually they're written by, people who have a huge ministry or they created a mega church. A lot of those books were written by pastors, which is great, but I wanted a book for the rest of us. So the book is broken down into 6 different chapters for the most part. And you'll learn about discovering your dreams, releasing what's holding you back, understanding your gifts, and also making it happen, because that's the key factor. You don't want to have all this information and tuck it on the shelf along with your gifts, because that doesn't help anyone, my friends. So I'm looking for people who are ready to really move forward and who finally discovered what they can do with their gifts where they are right now in this season of life. It doesn't matter what you've been through. It doesn't matter, how much money you have. I started 4 businesses with $40 or less. One I started well past 50, and I was severely injured. So, there's lots of things you can do under the circumstances, more than you probably are aware of. There's also lots of, encouraging verses and some spiritual references, because you need to really consider your spiritual gifts as well. So I hope this book blesses you in some way, and I hope it encourages you to take action, move forward, and rise up and rock.